In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in Freeagent. Navigating this process can become really easy with just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're new to Freeagent or simply need a quick refresher, this guide will help you through each part of the process. To begin, you'll want to first navigate to the Invoices page in Freeagent. This is where you'll find all your invoices neatly listed. Accessing this page is simple. Once you're logged into your Freeagent account, look for the Invoices tab. This is usually found in the main menu, making it easy to find. Getting to know the layout of this page can also be really helpful for future tasks. Once on the Invoices page, your next task is to locate the specific invoice you wish to delete. Depending on how many invoices you have, this might take a bit of scrolling or searching. If you have a lot of invoices, you can use the search function. Most systems like Freeagent have one. To quickly find the invoice you need, it's important to double-check that you've selected the correct invoice to avoid deleting the wrong one, as this might cause issues later on. After you've identified the invoice you wish to remove, you'll need to look for the Actions drop-down menu, which is conveniently located right next to the invoice on the list. Clicking on this menu will offer you several options concerning that particular invoice. Among these options, you should see one labeled Delete. Selecting this option will initiate the deletion process. Now, a quick note here. Sometimes systems will prompt you with an additional confirmation, especially when you're about to delete something permanently. If a pop-up window appears asking you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and confirm that you want to proceed. This is a crucial step designed to prevent accidental deletions, ensuring that every decision made in your account is intentional. Taking a moment to confirm helps in avoiding potential mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in Freeagent. If you find yourself needing to delete invoices frequently, this process will soon become second nature. For security and accountability purposes, remember that once deleted, the invoice may not be easily recoverable, depending on Freeagent's data retention policies. Double-checking before deletion will give you peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions about Freeagent or any other accounting software processes. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help streamline your business operations, making tasks like these as smooth as possible.